Disaster for CryptoBlades. This project has had a rough last 2 weeks, if you're a fan of it like I am. You can see here the price has gone from all-time high of 160 all the way down to where it is now at 36. And if you've been following the project and play the game daily, you'll see in the last week there's just been tons of bad problems with the game. Rewards being cut, things going down, people leaving the game. What is going on here? And will CryptoBlades come back, and how can we profit from it? If you're new to the channel, I'm CryptoMan, your anonymous gaming crypto guide. If you want to stay up to date on the latest crypto news, sub to the channel and join us in the Elite Crypto League. So if you haven't followed CryptoBlades for the last 2 weeks, there has just been issue after issue with this project. And if you haven't followed it personally through Discord and their Telegram, you can see just tons of people on YouTube and Reddit and Twitter just fudding this project non-stop. So let's go into what has happened in the last week. Why is the price tanked so much, and what's going to happen in the future? So first, you can see here, there's just been tons of announcements. To the team's credit, they've been doing a great job at announcing things daily. The problem is there's not many great things to announce. So let's take a look here. Let's scroll up because we have to go through some of these, the major ones. So this is one of the ones people are most aggravated about. The reward system sucks now. They cut the rewards drastically, and you can see by the emojis themselves, the poop emoji and the clown emoji have most of the reactions. That is never a good sign on Discord. Okay, let's go a day backwards from that to 812. You can see here another issue. They basically were not letting people withdraw their skill tokens because the rewards pool was empty. There is just tons and tons of problems with this. The problem is that this game went so high. I started playing this game in early July, but the amount of traffic I saw in mid-July to late July to now is just gigantic. This game could not cover how many people were joining, and it has just tanked because of it. Even look at the price here. It's gone from like 160. It went up way too fast here. And this happens with every project in crypto, right? Especially the gaming ones. When they catch fire, they just go absolutely bonkers, and the price goes nuts, and the people start FOMOing in, and the team could just not handle the amount of traffic that was happening. So as for the future, I'll admit, I'm actually pretty bearish on this project. I think that CryptoBlades had a great run. I don't know if they're going to come back from this. I'm going to buy, though, some of the weapons that are getting dumped onto the market. So if you actually go to the CryptoBlades market right now, you can get amazing deals because people are just flooding the market with NFTs because they think CryptoBlades is over. I bought 10 yesterday. I'm going to keep buying some. But I actually want to talk about what I think is the next gaming protocol and projects that are going to be worth going into, because CryptoBlades might take months to recover from this. No gaming coin ever goes up this much, falls back down this much, and then recovers again really fast. So what do I think is the biggest opportunities in the gaming space right now? It is definitely any game through this fund, Seedify. If you haven't heard of them, they are a big incubator and launchpad for blockchain games and gamers. That's basically their description on Twitter. Basically, they launch games. And they are huge because they have partnered with some major influencers in the space. So let me go through two of them right now so you know how big these guys are going to be in the future. So Alex Becker is one of them. He's obviously huge on Twitter and YouTube. And the second one, which is even bigger than him, is JRNY Crypto. He has 500,000 subs. And he came out today and said that he is excited to join Seedify as an advisor. This guy is really smart. He's a great YouTuber, and he's really smart, and they're having him on board means that their marketing is going to be top notch. And so let's actually go to Seedify and look at the price too. You can see here what announcing those two has done. Obviously, it's not back to its peak, which was in late May before the market tanked, but it is steadily coming back there. And the game that I am most excited about for them is this one, Warriors of Aradena. It's an NFT, kind of like RuneScape almost, looking graphics, but it's an NFT and gaming project, and they have all these cool NFTs that they've already minted. I don't know if there's any more left. I don't think there is. You could probably pick up some on OpenSea, though. I picked up a couple when they first minted, but they are going to have some really cool gaming features once they launch. And so let's actually take a look here at their website so you can kind of see what they look like. Yeah, they're sold out, so they came out pretty fast. It's kind of got a Skyrim, Oblivion, RuneScape type look. I don't actually know if they have too much of the graphics already, but it kind of looks like CryptoBlades, right? It kind of looks like a medieval one, except these guys have some major partners, and that's why I am so bullish on them. You can at least bet that the price will go up because they have such great influencers working with them. But what do you guys think? Are you pumped for Warriors of Aradena? I am, but I want to see what games you guys think are the biggest opportunities right now. Drop a comment below, and I will see you all in the next episode.